Hi, welcome to CivilMix. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to arrange the interface before starting a project. First, open Revit program. It will take some time according to the performance of your computer. This is the first look, and to start a project, click New and select Architectural Templates and click OK. This window, you will see the tabs and tools we are going to use in future drawings. Before we start drawing, we need to set up the property box and project browser. Go to View, Use Interface, click checkbox to open the properties. And you will see the property box, and it will show the properties of relevant views and elements. You can drag and place it where you want, but I prefer keep it left hand side. Go to User Interface again and open Project Browser. You can select floor plans, elevations, legends, sheets, and etc. Keep it right hand side. Next tutorial we will start a drawing. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.